Welcome to Digital Making at Home. I knew it was going to be a little different this week, but wasn't expecting this. Well, here we are. Thanks so much for clicking on that icon. As you can see, I'm in my little box here in the computer. So this is actually what we're going to be talking about this week. We're going to be exploring GUI 0. And GUI, which stands for Graphical User Interface, is how you interact with the computer. So a lot of the icons, the menu bar at the top, we're going to be talking about that. So on Wednesday, we're going to be coding with my friend Martin. We're going to talk about open source, GUI 0, and actually code an app. And then on Thursday, we have another live stream where me and Matt are going to be doing some coding in Scratch. We're going to be doing the second project in our Look After Yourself pathway. So join us and head on over to rpf.io/home to learn more. We need to shut this computer off. So let's shift over this way. Nice, okay, up. All right, you're gonna press that button up there, the raspberry, okay? Then you're gonna click shutdown, and then, oh, it's over there, okay. Click that. All right, see ya.